This is David Mann of Lotto Odds. It is April 24th, 2020. Okay, this is another day practice of the Pick3 Trinity lowest winning digit 3-draw strategy that we've been doing for a few days and will continue to do. All right, as usual, I'm going to review the daily draw. All right, yesterday we went through the video and we picked Iowa, right? And the lowest winning digits were, or the Trinity was 0, 3, 2. Okay, so we concentrated on the 0 and the 2. The winning number was 910. So the 0 came out. It hit. The Trinity hit. And I won this one also. I played it. I won. And under it is all the voting. Everybody voted, or a number of people had voted. Just a few. As we go along, there are going to be more. And this will give you an idea. It just tells you what individuals feel that they should remove or should keep in there, so you can compare it with your own research. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to the history page of Lotto Odds. I chose Connecticut, right, because you've got the Trinity number right there, 0, 2, 8. All right, the two lowest winning digits are 0 and 2. I want to go through quickly the states and see what Trinity numbers hit excuse me, for the day. Let's just go through this. All right, look at, no, that's not Trinity right there. Connecticut, that's what we're going to concentrate on in a little while. All right, remember there's 8 Trinity numbers, and then you've got the Trinity 2.0. Still back testing that one. There were duplicate numbers earlier, but I believe we're going to remove those duplicate numbers. So Iowa, this is what, all right, we played off of Iowa, was right there, 203, and it hit on the second draw, right, 0, and then it hit on the third draw as well. See 0? That's a good play right there. Let's keep looking. Look, here, Idaho, right, 027 Trinity. Look, it hit on the second, excuse me, hit on the first draw. All right, let's keep going. This state, Indiana, is also Iowa, same numbers. Yeah, let's keep going. I won't make this video too long. Try not to. All right. North Carolina, there's one. North Carolina, right there in the morning, hit, look, 208, Trinity number. Look, first draw, bang, winner. Let's keep going. These real quick, hold on. All right, so like I said, eight digits. And they regularly come out. Here you have Washington. Okay, this is a setup. 023 Trinity. Okay, first draw came up. Didn't hit. You got 2 more draws. So that's a play right there. Okay. All right, so let's concentrate on Connecticut. All right, so let's go to the prediction tool. Here's Connecticut, 220 box numbers. All right, drop this down. First of all, we're dealing with, again, 820. 02 is the lowest Trinity numbers or digits. We're going to isolate. I'm telling you, right now I'm going to isolate the 2, and I'll tell you why. If you look at the draw alert for Connecticut, look at this. The 2, right, for straight game is overdue, and the 2 for box game is overdue. Okay, 5 days and it hasn't shown. So 2 is strong to show up very soon, and it could be next. So we're going to concentrate on the 2. We're going to isolate the 2 here. Right there. All right, 36 numbers, and then we're going to decide which high-low we're going to remove. Remember, okay, this doesn't mean anything because it's high-low. There's no high-low in there. It's low-high. Okay, so we have high-high, low-high, and low-low, right? 3. You need to decide, this is the practice we're doing, that I want you to start learning this. I want you to start studying the patterns and decide which 1 or 2 you're going to remove from here. And then you're going to go back to here for the Daily Trinity Practice and Crowd Wisdom page on the forum, and you're going to click on the links for the Survey Monkey, and you're going to answer the questions for that day. All right? And we're going to use crowd wisdom. All right, let's see here. Try to figure out what the next play is. High-low pattern. All right, but I'm going to just go through this with you real quick here so you can get an idea how it works. All right, so I put down a drop-down menu, and I'm going to flip this over like this. The reason why I'm clicking the arrow is I want to reorganize the mixed winning numbers to low-high so it can match the box numbers from low-high. It allows me to use the high-low filters to remove them easily. All right, so let's see here. We're going to also isolate the 2. Let's see what we're looking at here. Oh, look at that. That's nice. You got, what is it, strike. Let's see, hold on a second. It's not strike, it's spike. 2 spikes. All right, when you see 2 spikes like this, right, they tend not to come out to 3s, see, like that? All right, 2, and it jumps. So if it jump, look at this. Hold on a second. Let me just look at something real quick. That's T. All right, we'll get back to that because that's interesting. All right, so what you could do is you could take out the spikes right there. So we'll go here. Oh, swing digits, spikes. All right, take out the first one. You're down to 15 numbers right off the bat before you even touched the high-low. So you may want to just play that. All right, let's go. But this is practice, so okay. So let's go with the high and low. Okay, check this out. Look at this, low, low, high, right? But you're looking at both the day and the evening. You don't want to do that, okay? You want to try to isolate these as much as possible. We've isolated the 2, right? Let's take out the evening because it's just one. Now look at this. Look at the day. Where's the low, high? Where's the low, low, high? It's not there. Look, the next draw here, right? It's not here either. Hold on, okay? It's low, high, high, low, high, high, low, low, high. Low, low, high came out on April 4th. We're on April 24th. Do you think that's overdue? I would say so, wouldn't you? So you might say, okay, let's leave that in and take everything else out. So let's take that, low, low, right there. You've got 6 numbers left. Now, I just want to go back and see if they're, hold on, that's there by mistake, okay. Let's just see if we can determine what might come out next. I'm going to go all low winning digits, meaning what's a digit in the first position? Is it going to be a 0 or a 2? Look, right here, the T and the S, right? SST, right? Let me see this also. And T here for all views from day and evening. I want to show you something. Look, whenever there's a T here, right? If it's not TTT, because TTT is either 888 or 999 or 000111, right? So, yeah, look. Spike, go to spike, you look at the numbers. T is 0189, okay? So that's what T could be if it's TTT. Let's look at this here. Right here. Okay, I just got to, hold on, I got to plug in my computer. I just got a warning that it's about to die. All right, so where was I? All right, so look, TST, SST, right? Look when every time a TST comes out, TST, okay, TT comes out, it's together with other T's. Look at that. TST, where's another TST? TST, TST, TST. Look at that bunch of TSTs right there. Okay, S and then jumps to TST. Okay, so it could continue with another T and T group. So this could be coming out a 0 or 1, but then if you take out the evening, look what you have. SST. Look, SST and it jumps to a T. Okay, let's look for another. SST and then jumps to a T. SST jumps to a T. Okay? SST and then a T right down there as well. So it could be an indication that a T is going to come out in the first position, which tells you what? Helps you to reconfirm right here that T, hold on, SST, that 0 might win. 0 might come out. Because if another, hold on, excuse me, SST, then a T comes out. Yeah, that could be a 0 coming out there. 1, 0, a 0, 1 right there. Okay. But I looked at the draw alerts and it says 2 is way overdue, so I'm sticking with 2. But this is up to you, what you want to decide. Okay, you could say maybe this is going to flip to a T, And then the zero is much stronger, then you work with the zeros. Okay? So let's see here. Hold on a second. Odd, odd, odd. High, high, high. 3.3. Anyway, I got them down to 6 numbers. All right? Let's see if we put this back. 15 numbers. And you might just, again, you might just want to put these back, high-lows, and just play the 15 numbers. Okay? So let me show you something else. Another way to determine what might come out next, what pattern. Let's see here. Well, let's see the number 2 because I'm concentrating on number 2. So in the day, so we think low, low, high come out because look, if you look at the past winners, and this is just an example from California, but look, it tends to repeat. Look, here's the Trinity, right? That's not a Trinity 0.2 point, but it repeated. Let's get a Trinity. Hold on. That's not Trinity 0. Here, this is here. See right there? You got low, low, high, and then 1, 2, bang, low, low, high. Look, you got here Trinity right there. You got a low, low, high, and you got right there 2 low, 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 high. Remember, there's no in the box game pick 3. There's no low at the end, so this is actually low, low, high. Okay, here, look at this. Let's see. Here, right here is another one. Bang. You got low, low, high, and there's low, low, high right there. Okay. Remember, in the box game, it goes from low to high. Okay. Okay. So this could get. Oh wow! Look at all this. Okay, Trinity, low, low, high, low, low, high. It just repeated. Trinity, low, 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 repeated. Okay, so that could be a clue where you say, okay, well, the last time, okay, number 2, Eve. Let's see, Eve. Look at Eve. Look at low, low, high. Maybe that's going to repeat. And Eve, look, hold on. So you can look at that and say, look, the last draw on the 18th and Eve, that was the last draw. It came out low, low, high. Maybe that's going to also mirror, and the next winner is going to be with low, low, high. You know, you decide to take that back out. Or keep that in there, I should say. So you got 6 numbers right there. All right, let's see what else I got to show you. Also, to understand all these patterns and stuff, right, you need to, or to know how to work them well, right, you need to understand what they do. So one of the things you could do is you could write them out, even do it yourself. I wrote them out here. Okay, I'm just going to scroll through this a little bit, and you can see the patterns that are connected with each other. Let's see, look at that. All right, there you go. All right, so you can study those patterns as well. All those patterns. I haven't finished the bottom. I'm still adding more patterns to the numbers, but these are the patterns that are connected with them. Look how whenever this pattern comes out, in, out, there's no low, low, low with it. That's interesting, and you could use that. Let's see here. What else? Look at here. And out, in. You have only one. Hold on a second. Look at that. You have one even there. Look at that. And you have here even at the end. So if you're able to, if you knew that or determined that out and in was due, okay, and even wasn't going to win at the end, what would you have left? You would have this. You would have the number 2 coming out, and this is the numbers you have with it. These few numbers, okay. That's what you can do with it. That's what's important. So get something like this, or just jot these down, and I'm going to post them on the forum, and study these, because once you get used to all these patterns are going to be easy for you. Okay, I'm going to put the survey on, so please, I'd like you to participate. Come in, click the Survey Monkey, and answer the questions, right? And just let us know what you feel that is going to, what you want to keep, what you want to move out from the high-low. It's practice from you, and it helps you. All right, good luck.